Let's take a look at the advantage of using smart previews for offline editing. Here I have an image selected and I have original photo underneath the histogram. If I select a range of photographs, multiple photographs, I can click on the numerical icon below the histogram and choose to build smart previews for the images I've selected. When the images are offline, i.e. the disk has been ejected, we can see the exclamation mark here saying the photograph is missing. Now if we try to take this photo into the develop module, you'll see that there is no histogram and all of the sliders are grayed out. We cannot edit this image. However, if I take one of the images where I built a smart preview, we have smart preview indicated, and I can take this into the develop module and carry on adjusting this image. Okay, so there is a great advantage from using smart previews when we want to edit offline.